I'm J. Hood Jackson with your Look Today 411. Well, in our lead story, former executive director of the Saratoga Performing Arts Center, Herb Chesbro, has passed away. Chesbro was the head of SPAC for over 30 years and is credited with making SPAC one of the largest, most prestigious, and most diverse performing arts venues in the country. Upon leaving SPAC, in 2005, Herb joined the Arts Consulting Group and worked with numerous performing arts groups around the country, including the Dallas Symphony and the Olympic Regional Development Authority. In other news, two bidders will present their plans for operating the Glens Falls Civic Center on Monday night. Ken McCloskey of the Adirondack Sports and Entertainment Group is the highest bidder. He offered $1.5 million. The Coalition to Save Our Civic Center offered $600,000. The offers came in as sealed bids after no one bid at the public auction a few weeks ago. Well, since the announcement was made, some controversy has been stirred up. Members of the Coalition Group have questioned whether or not McCloskey has the money to maintain the Civic Center long term. McCloskey will make his presentation to the Common Council at 6 p.m. on Monday. The Coalition will present at 7:30 p.m. Now, we will have full coverage on Tuesday night's edition of Look Today. Well, also in the news, the regional BOCES and the New York State United Teachers and the American Federation of Teachers will hand out books this Saturday. The first book truckload challenge delivered 42,000 books to the Donald Myers Education Center in Saratoga Springs yesterday. District Superintendent James Dexter discusses why the event is important.
Because what we know is when kids have books in their hand, they're much more apt to read. And we know that reading is still a critical skill.
Wow, books are being sorted by various teachers, students, and volunteers. The rest of the week, the books will be handed out starting 9 a.m. on Saturday at the Myers Education Center in Saratoga. Join me here each and every night for the stories that matter to you.